Brabus emblem gonna be same color, and by the base where the Brabus go, that's gonna be red. So it's gonna be fun. And also right here we have the pedals.
Oh.
See? So yeah, this is brakes and gas.
No clutch?
In this case, no clutch. Only my motorcycle have a clutch. And we're talking about this, maybe we can change it now because it's
easy.
Yeah, this is easy. That's very easy, like.
All right, here's the world exclusive G63 Brabus B700. Check out these extensions right here. You can see the carbon fiber that sits on the flares. Doesn't belong on this car. It's taped on, as you can see. This is part of the Widestar kit for the 4x4 G-Wagon that we are gonna be starting on. So we want to see if it fits the standard Widestar flares, and they do. As you can see, it fits. The only things that don't fit are the pieces for the running boards, because on the 4x4 it is actually wider. So there you have it. We could actually do these Brabus Widestar builds and then get these separately and add to it for an even more intense wide body G63. So you haven't seen that anywhere else. You're seeing it right now. Like I said, this is a Widestar Brabus G63 and we have these flares on there. It looks good. So we're gonna take them off and go film the car, because this car is my favorite Brabus G-Wagon ever. Ladies and gentlemen, we are standing in front of this monster build. This is a Brabus B700 G63, brand new car, less than 100 miles on the dash, and it's fully transformed. This is that bronze sinter color, very rare actually. It comes matte bronze from the factory. So whatever color you're seeing on the body is factory. We installed the Brabus Widestar package, which consists of the front and rear bumpers and all these beautiful wide body flares. All of them have been painted to the body color without blending, and it is 100% color match. This is very, very difficult to do. Not a lot of people could do this at all. So very, very proud of the way the paint turned out. It's not only about the color, it's also about the finish of the paint, and it completely matches the factory. So Brabus has a lot of options. So whenever you get the Widestar, you're literally just getting bumpers and flares. You have to add on the hood. You have to add on the roof LED spoiler. What you see here is another carbon fiber grille surround with another set of LEDs. So you have 4 LEDs in the front. Around this grille, optional Brabus. This is Brabus. This emblem has been painted red. We have the illuminated Brabus front logo on the grille. We painted the entire grille in the factory bronze Sintar color. So that looks incredible with all the black and then the matte carbon fiber. Like I said, the whole theme on this car is matte carbon fiber. The wheels, very special 24-inch classic style Brabus wheels. We have also painted it to the bronze Sintar color. We have a lot of little details on these wheels. The Brabus has been painted black inside, so you get that Brabus in black. The plaque was removed and then put on. We made custom center caps with the bronze and the B as well. Top it off with the Brabus little caps for the lug nuts. We have the badging on the sides, of course. The red Brabus, the Biturbo 700. The side steps usually are in chrome. We have actually taken those apart and painted them the bronze color as well. So you got color match over there as well. LEDs on the running boards with the Widestar kit, of course. This car actually has a beautiful red lipstick red colorway, and we actually did this little top piece real quick in red just to give it that flare from the outside. We wanted to do a whole dashboard on this car, but the dashboard is very difficult, and we've seen some dashboards out there, they look terrible. So we opted to do just this little piece, one-day job, made that red. To the back end, which I love the G63 Widestar back ends. That bumper is beautiful. We opted to do black there. A lot of people would have gone full body color, which is what we've been doing lately. But on these, you had to have a little bit of black. So we got black meshes, got the black emblems. We have the matte carbon spare delete from Brabus. Let's go ahead and open up the rear. In the rear, you'll see we have the full Brabus floor mats, and then we have the light up illuminated Brabus door sills. So every single door, 5 of them, have this light up Brabus light, and they change colors. So they go from red to white to blue, and it does it on its own. Really, really cool touch, honestly, to have those. So we opted to do those as well. But yeah, overall, that's all we got done on this car. It looks incredible. It looks like it came from Mercedes-Benz like this. You won't find one flaw, one paint flaw, fitment flaw, nothing. And that at the end of the day is all that counts. So I hope you guys enjoy it. On to the next one.
Almost done. 90% is done. So we have to put the door panels together. Few adjustment in the front, few adjustment in the back. Almost done. This is a crazy looking car.
You like it, my paint job? ¿Te gusta la pintura?
You did a good paint job.
Este color es difícil de pintar porque es un color candy. Red.
We did create this car, besides the engine. Complete body was changed. New quarter panel, new door, new fender.
Talk about the updates.
No, I'm just telling you what we done.
Okay, thank you.
You're dumb. Just listen to me.
Sorry.
I'm the one who builds the building, bitch. So Moses, they did the exhaust. Javier did the exhaust. Complete exhaust was done by Moses' team. What else?
We still have, we have to do power steering pump still.
Oh, the wheels. They
Yeah.
did the complete wheels.
Power steering pump.
Yeah.
Yeah, power
Steering
steering
wheel.
pump, steering wheel.
So-
We're almost there.
So the
Getting
steering
there.
wheel is not gonna work. While you
Hey, the front of this car looks really nice.
Yeah, it is.
I like it.
This is a one crazy sexy car.
But how low is this damn thing? Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's gonna be. He has to be a really good driver to not destroy this thing the first day. Look at this. Hey, it looks nice though. Now that now that the front end is together,
Doesn't it look like a Batman car?
Yeah, it does.
if the way the front is assembled, right, it looks really good actually.
Felix did one great job. Okay, let's talk about Lulu's bike.
Lulu needs.
Why not? Let's show your bike.
No, everybody, let's go talk about Lulu's bike.
Yeah.
Everybody, Lulu's
No.
No. Hey, he has a crazy bike. So the first owner was Santos, and then he sold it to Chiquito.
Yeah.
And then Chiquito sold it to Santos. And then Santos bought it.
And he flipped it again.
And who made the most money? Santos out of this whole deal.
Yeah.
All right, I'm tired of this. Shit. Are we done?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Okay, shut up.
Let's go home and black out and
Hey, where's my Twix?
call it. Where's my Twix?
You owe me a Twix, bitch.
Okay, this is the dumbest thing we've done. We're done?
By the time I dancing. I don't like that way.
Fucking thing has no miles. It's crazy. Let's go take out the B700.
It's too long. It has to be shorter.
I want it to be long. Looks like you have a big reach.
You stink.
So why are you asking? Do I stink? I put more clothes than your complete clothes together.
Santi, why Joey no recording me in Spanish?
Yeah, well, why you don't record him? Yeah.
I love you. You're the best. You're best. It's just
Moses, how old are you?
42.
I'm the 62 fucking guy. 20 years more. Let's go together to any job. Let's bring all your shop guys.
Oh shit.
Which shop, guys?
Everybody.
Employees, you're saying.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.